Salazar. We are group 5 and we're going to report about steady state theory. So let's start about the features of steady state theory. So according to cosmology, yung steady state daw is continuous na nag-expand like nang sa Big Bang theory. Pero the fact na walang inflation or pagsabog na naganap, which is nag-expand lang talaga siya. And kumbaga nagme-maintain din dito yung constant average density, which is yung constant average density is yung radiation kung bakit nag-expand ang universe. So why steady state theory get rejected? So some of the information about steady state theory are incorrect. Hindi naman totally mali ang information pero aksidenteng na-includes ang steady state theory sa kasabay ng cosmic microwave background or CMB. So, kaya siya na-reject dahil din sa lack of evidence na kung baga hindi nila napatunayan kung saan talaga nanggaling yung stars or planets, basta sinabi lang nila na nandyan na yon. So, lack of evidence.
I'm going to present the difference between the steady-state theory and the Big Bang model. According to the steady-state theory, the universe has no beginning and has no end. But according to the Big Bang model, however, it states that before the Big Bang model, it was nothing. There was no Earth, there was universe, there was nothing. The Big Bang was a sudden expansion of time and space, and it begat a universe. 1 millionth of a second after the Big Bang, the universe continued to expand, but the speed at which it was expanding was not as fast as during the Big Bang. Sinasabi din dito na yung universe hanggang ngayon patuloy pa rin nag-expand. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin nagpapatunay kung hanggang kailan yung pag-expand ng universe kasi wala pa rin lumalabas na mga result kung hanggang saan na ba umaabot yung pag-expand nito. The universe continues to expand still to this day through their individuals that think that it may start to continue and crash together one day.
So, sinasabi sa Big Bang Theory, there is no matter can be created. Tapos, yung total amount ng matter and energy sa universe, nananatili pa rin siya. Hindi siya nag-i-increase or nag-decrease. As the universe expands, it becomes less dense. Tapos naman, sa steady state, kahit nag-expand yung universe, yung density niya hindi pa rin nagbabago. Sinasabi naman sa steady state theory na kahit nag-expand yung Earth, yung universe, hindi pa rin nagbabago yung yung itsura niya. Tapos, the look of the universe not changed because of the constant creation of matter. Yun nga, hindi siya nagbabago dahil dun sa constant creation of matter.
The only reason it would support the steady state theory is because we don't know about the Big Bang before, meaning that it might not be correct. They discovered the cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMBR, as discovered by Edwin Hubble. Every distant galaxy appears to be moving away from us, and the further away it is, the faster it is moving. This implies that a long time ago, everything was closer together, and even further back in history, it must have all come from a single place. The composition of the universe, as measured many times over the past 50 years, is roughly 75% hydrogen and 24% helium, along with 1% of the more interesting stuff like planets and heavy elements. This is precisely what the Big Bang model predicts. The CMBR, or cosmic microwave background radiation, was discovered in the middle of last century. It's kind of afterglow in space from the Big Bang, and once again is precisely what would be expected to be seen.
So, ang report is continue lang sa report ni Miss Levilaya Leonor na taga-IBM-11 din about sa why steady state theory has been discarded. So, una sa lahat, ang steady state theory, ito yung theory na nagsasabi na it is no beginning and no end. Hindi rin siya nag-expand, isotropic and homogeneous sa time. While yung sa Big Bang theory naman, ito yung may pinagmulan, nag-expand, and isotropic and homogeneous but not in time. So, nung pinaglaban na ang steady state theory and Big Bang theory, mas madaming sumuporta kasi dun sa Big Bang theory. Tapos, while dun sa steady state theory naman, halos walang sumuporta. Dahil sa kakulangan ng ebidensya. Ang tang evidence lang naman ng steady state theory is yung redshift, yung gawa ni Hubble. So, yung redshift, ito yung indicates ng continuity condition. Indication ng continuity condition. So, steady state means the conservation of energy and does not require an expanding of the universe. It's the misunderstanding of redshift that adds the requirement of expanding of the universe and need for continuous creation. Hubble law and redshift. Sorry for that. Kasi yung mami dito natin umasok. Yung Hubble law, redshift, as known as the hitherto unrecognized principle of nature. This is not an expansion of the universe. Less prudent, physicists have misunderstood redshift. Redshift is an indicator of continuity condition and the result of centrifugal force balancing and gravitational centripetal force. Steady state is the proper. So, term ng conservation of energy or the tawag na homeostasis. Homeostasis. Basta yun. Which seems to characterize the universe which means to characterize the universe.